Hello friends, welcome back to channel Math Forum. Again we are going to solve one typical numerical using the fundamental of springs in series combination. Same fundamental that we have applied in the lecture number 15, same type of numerical it is. First we understand what is the numerical. In this numerical again same we have to find out the natural frequency. What is the question? This is a beam which is massless of length L. Spring K1 is attached at a distance of A and K2 is attached at a distance of L with mass M. Same kind of numerical we have solved earlier also. Now how to proceed? Just like the previous one, we have to shift this numerical at the end so that it can become a springs in series combination. Why? Because this beam is massless. So this is the next stage of this numerical, shifting. And at the time of shifting, we have to find out the value of K1 dash by equating what? Torque. Torque exerted by K1 equals to torque exerted by K1 dash. Then this will become like this. We will apply the series combination and get the value of equivalent K. So this is the life cycle, you can say that. The process which we have to follow. Now we will equate what? Torque. Now torque of K1, what is torque of K1? Force into perpendicular distance. What is the perpendicular distance here? It is A. What will be the force? Spring force. So this will be deflected like this, and this is the deflection X when you pull this spring K2. So this is the X and this is the deflection theta. Fine. So what X will become? X equals to A theta, and spring force will act in the upward direction, because if you pull this mass down, this spring will pull back in the upward direction. So spring force will be in the upward direction, spring force. So what is spring force? Stiffness into deflection. What is stiffness? K1 into deflection, what is X? What is X? Equals to A theta to K1 A square theta. This is the torque exerted by K1. Similarly, torque by K1 dash, how it will be? It will be deflected like this. This is a deflection, azimuth Y. This is the angle by which it is deflected. So Y equals to what? L theta, and spring force will act in the upward direction. If you pull it down, spring will pull it back. So spring force in the upward direction. So torque will be stiffness. Force is nothing but stiffness into deflection. Stiffness is K1 dash and deflection is Y. This is force into perpendicular distance is L. So Y equals to L theta, you will get K1 dash L square theta. Now we will equate these two. So after equating these two, you will get K1 dash equals to K1 A square upon L square. Fine. Now this will become like this, K1 and K2. The work is done of this. Now K1 dash and K2 are in series. So what is the K equivalent? K1 dash K2 upon K1 dash plus K2. This is the equivalent spring combination. Put the value of K1 dash. So you will get as K1 A by L the whole square, K2 upon K1 A by L the whole square plus K2. This is the value of K equivalent. Now this will become like this. Now this is done. Now for this we have the formula omega n as under root of K equivalent by M. Substitute the value of K equivalent at this location and you will get the value of omega n. So hope after understanding the numerical number 15, numerical number 17 will not be a problem. Fine. So if you like this numerical, like and subscribe the channel. Till then, thank you.